Congratulations on purchasing your Nahlamus Smart LED dog collar. This guide will take you through the initial setup and configuration of your collar. To get started, simply connect power to the collar via a mini USB charging cable. Switch the collar on with the small switch. I'm using a screwdriver. You can also use a pen. The switch is recessed inside the cabinet. You'll notice the LEDs start glowing in their default rainbow pattern. The collar is also now transmitting a Wi-Fi access point under the name Nahlamus. Grab your mobile phone and scan for new Wi-Fi networks. You'll see that Nahlamus is available to connect to. Click to connect to the network. As soon as your phone connects, it will take you straight to the welcome page for the Nahlamus dog collar, and from here you can press the To the Controls button. From the Controls page, click the Config button in the top right-hand corner and then choose Wi-Fi Setup. From this page you can now change the name that's transmitted as your Wi-Fi network. You can see here it's called Nahlamus. You can rename this to anything you'd like. I'm going to type in your dog. We recommend typing in your dog's name, so when you're at the dog park, you know who you're connecting to. Press Save and Connect, and you'll see that your settings are saved. You can now close this window on your phone. To make sure that the collar accepts these changes, you just need to switch the power off, wait a second, and turn the power back on again. The collar's now loaded the new configuration, and like before, if we go and scan for Wi-Fi networks, we'll notice that the new network that we've just named is available as an option. Click to connect to the network. Your collar won't automatically load this time, so what we'll do is we'll use a QR code to be able to load the page. You can go to your favourite QR reading program. The QR code is displayed on the screen. There's also a printed copy in the instruction manual that came with your collar. Simply follow the link and you'll be taken to the control page. So you can get back here quickly, let's add it to our home screen. Click the three dots in the top right hand corner and then Add to Home Screen. You can name this icon anything you'd like. I'm typing in your dog, but you can put in anything you'd like. Once you hit Add automatically. You could close this program down, and you'll notice that on the home screen of your phone, you've now got an icon. Anytime you're connected to your collar's Wi-Fi network, you can simply click this link to be taken straight to the controls page. From here, you'll be able to load any effects, colours, and experiment with the different looks that your Nahlamus dog collar can generate. There'll be a follow-up video shortly showing you all the different possible configurations of your collar and how to get the best out of it. We hope you enjoy playing with your brand new Nahlamus LED collar.